Wow, wonderful, wonderful, fantastic. The game has become very interesting.
Hey, don't get so excited. It's time for our performance. Sister Nipa, give them a very tough song so that nobody can guess it. Because Brother Ratul gave us a very, very tough clue. Okay, in that case, I will give you 3 words. You have to sing with those 3 words. The 3 words should be in the first part of the song, in the chorus. Got it?
Hey Nipa, what are you doing? Mithai instigated you and you are giving us tough clues? You have so many good singers on your team and we are...
Hey, why are you underestimating our team? Let them give a clue.
Hey, bravo, bravo, bravo. That's like my brother.
Okay, fine. I'll tell you the 3 words. The 3 words are, one is heart. The second one is noise. And the third word is you.
That's a tough one, Nipa. Is there a song like that or...
Ratul? What happened? Say something. You destroyed 2 lives for the sake of your family's reputation.
Which 2 lives?
Naturally, mine and Nipa's.
That was very nice, Ratul. You sang very well.
Nipa had given everyone a very tough challenge. But Ratul managed it. Hey, everyone, applause for our new son-in-law. Fantastic, Ratul. Fantastic. Awesome. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Oh my, it's your turn to give us a clue.
Listen, don't give us a tough clue.
Give us an easy clue so that we can guess the song, or the game will get over.
It's wrong to think that everybody else is like you, Madam Mithai. Even we all are very smart. So what's the next clue?
Well, I want to say that with everybody's permission, can I give the next clue? I mean, I don't know much songs, yet I'll give you a clue. You will have to sing a song which has been used in 2 films of the same name.
Brother Rajiv, even you are doing this?
No.
We won't play if you give such tough clues.
Okay. So now we are at the end of our get together. Listen, Siddharth, now sing a song for us.
No, not me. Please, Rajiv.
Hey, why not? You're such a good singer. Please sing a song.
Oh Lord, his sisters are requesting him to sing a song, but he's acting so pricey.
Mithai would have danced to 10 songs if they had requested me.
Mithai! Mithai, why are you making brother Sid angry? He'll leave the meeting and won't sing.
There's no end to her melodrama. All right, which song shall I sing? Give me some clues.
No, I don't have any clue. But you must sing a song that will cheer all of us up in this suffocating situation.
Siddharth, brother, to tell you the truth, after hearing your song, we all feel like standing next to each other, holding hands with each other, and having a great time. And this digital distance between us, shouldn't last very long. Thank you, Sid. Thank you. Mithai, let's shout out our slogan.
Oh, sure, why not? Let's shout out our slogan together. 1, 2, 3.
Hail the Lord!
I have got a cup of strong tea for grandfather's grandson. You have sung song today. It will soothe your throat. It will be really nice if you have it.
Stop.
Oh my Lord. Lord, do you understand this bitter God? When I want to leave after talking to him, he comes out of his room. When I have something important to share with him, Mr. Bitter God throws me out.
Just keep quiet, Mithai. Just keep quiet. Why are you so talkative? Why do you talk so much? Anyway, tell Grandpa that my reports are negative. I don't have to stay in isolation.
Really, Siddharth? Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Thank you, you have saved us.
Strange. Why are you so happy?
Why not? In Jonai, I offered prayers to God when a stranger recovered from his illness. You are grandfather's grandson. Won't I be happy if you recover?
Hello. Excuse me. I am not sick at all. Why are you talking about recovering from it? You don't act smart, Mithai. Listen. Just convey my message to Grandpa, okay? Inform him. That's it. You don't have to do anything else.
No. Why will you recover? I was at Brother Rajil's house that day. I saw someone in pain. He was in pain due to a severe headache. But no, the person won't accept it. His reputation will be at stake if he accepts it, right? Because big shots never fall sick.
You just can't relax until you infuriate me. Am I right, Mithai?
When do you stay calm, Siddharth? When grandfather's grandson is singing, only that time he is calm. Can I say something? I think you should sing quite often. It will keep you healthy. No, don't think I'm giving you advice. I said it just casually. Everybody was crying after hearing your song today. That's why I said that.
Listen. Would you like to take formal training in dance? I can help you. You can enroll in a good dance school. You can choose it as a career option, right? You can do stage performances. Look, I saw, like, it's your natural talent. I mean, what do we say it? We say it a flair, a natural gift. It's there in you, you have it.
Thank you, but Mithai doesn't need any help. Mithai is confectioner. Why will I dance? Dance is my hobby. Auntie taught me to dance for this function. But I can't leave if I don't run a business. You don't know the joy of running a business. But I know you won't understand. Do you have any idea of the loss we have incurred in business due to the lockdown? Grandfather is so worried, but grandfather's grandson has any idea? Grandfather is not sleeping also. We are thinking about how we can save our business from incurring losses and how we can do good business. All of us are thinking about it. There is a unique joy in this.
Hey, listen, I don't want to know Mithai. I have a good suggestion for her, but she doesn't want to pay heed to it. Instead, she's lecturing me. What happened? Why are you standing here? Go. Here's the entrepreneur of the year, the best business personality of this century, Mithai the genius. Go and give your solutions to Grandpa. Just go.
Listen to me. You are not aware of Mithai's capabilities. I'm sure Lord will guide me. Mithai won't let the business suffer.
I wish Lord had instilled some common sense in you. That would have saved many lives. Lord knew very well that it was useless to bless a crazy person like you with intellect. That's why he didn't even take an effort. He made you brainless and sent you to the Manohara house. And who got trapped because of you? Silly girl.
How could he say this? Mithai is foolish. Lord hasn't blessed me with intellect. Okay, fine. I will show you. I'll show you how to plan your business. Mithai will show you how to plan your business. How to plan your business in a new way, Mithai is going to show you now.
I'm sure that Mithai will send me to a mental asylum one day. I gave her a good suggestion, but she declined it. She's a self-declared great business person. How do the others tolerate her? The tea has become cold too.
Samresh, got to know that Amu is at the accountant's office. He was saying that we have been incurring losses in our business lately. You didn't inform me?
Actually, Dad, everybody in the house was so disturbed by Shree's wedding that I didn't. Unless I help Siddharth settle down, I can't concentrate on anything, Dad. The workers, they are also on the leave. Our regular clients aren't coming in during the allotted hours to buy sweets. We are definitely incurring losses. We can't help it, Dad.
But we must do something, right?
What can we do, Dad? Tell me. Will we make sweets at home and send them to the shop?
Grandfather,
Uh,
your grandson told me to inform you that he has got the reports of his test. He has got the result.
really? Has his blood test report come?
He's absolutely fine. He doesn't have to quarantine himself. The doctor has said it.
Thank Lord. I feel relieved. Where is he? In his room? Mithai, listen to me. Don't go. Samresh, we can't make all the sweets at home. But we can make Monohara sweets. Mithai, can you make it?
Of course, grandfather, why not? Listen, what I'm telling, I'll make the cheese at home. Then we just need to get the milk in the morning. That's all. I'll go with Munni and get it. But I need 2 big containers for it.
Okay. No, that won't be an issue, sir. I'll send it. Okay. Good night, sir. Yeah.
I think we have big milk cans in our base kitchen.
Yes, we have them. Grandfather, I will do something. What I'll do, I'll go with Munni at night and get 2 big containers full of milk. I'll make a small quantity of sweet tomorrow. From the day after tomorrow, I'll make sweet in large quantities. I suggest that you call our regular customers, grandfather. You noted down their numbers during the festival, right? Call them and say that we will deliver sweet to their doorstep. They don't have to come. It will be convenient for them and we will get lot of orders.
Yes, we can definitely do that. Isn't it, Samresh?
Yes, Dad, we can do it, but who will do all this?
I will do it, sir. If Munni is with me, I will home deliver the sweets.
Grandpa, everything is under lockdown. The sweet shops are open only at a fixed time. The people who want to eat sweets should come and buy them from the shop. Why do we need to deliver the sweets to their houses?
Please tell your grandson that when the situation becomes normal and when life comes back on track, the date for his divorce hearing will be allotted. He should be ready.
Grandfather, ask your grandson a question, please. He's not involved in this business. Then why should he give his opinion about how the business is to be operated? I think Mr. Samresh is feeling very angry with him.
Just a second, Grandpa. I'll answer her question. Look, Mithai, I never interfered in the family business. I have no intention of doing it even now. If you hadn't mentioned the world-famous bicycle, what's its name? Yes, Munni. If you hadn't spoken about riding it to work, I wouldn't have interfered at all. She wants to carry big milk cans and deliver sweets with them, right? Huh? Have you thought about the number of accidents she's going to meet? The bicycle tires will get deflated, she'll get stuck, and as usual, she'll forget her phone at home and everybody will worry about her. Look, Grandpa, let me make it clear that nobody should go anywhere on Munni. Is that clear?
No, not clear. It's not clear. Mithai will ride her bicycle, Munni. How will I go without Munni, grandfather? Grandfather's grandson won't drop me.
Me? How could you even think that I would come to deliver your sweets? Like, have you lost it? Huh? Grandpa, has she lost her mind or something? Hey, listen. There's no need to make sweets at home. Do you get it? Grandpa, our office is allowing 10% of its staff to work, so I need to go to the office tomorrow.
Mithai, please leave it, or he'll get angry.
Grandfather will incur a loss in business. How can I let that happen? No, I can't let anything ruin our business.
Grandpa, our office is allowing 10% of its staff to work, so I need to go to the office tomorrow.
Tomorrow? What did he say? Will he go to work tomorrow? Oh, that's great. He won't find out. If anybody could deliver the milk to me, then all my problems would have been sorted.
Okay, I'll tell Amu and he'll arrange it. Hey, Mithai, I hope there won't be any problem.
No, grandfather. Mithai will handle everything. Don't worry.